What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, there's a lot of choices on the table. So we're working through it, friends. We're working through it. All right. I like it. We're going to do the same 6-inch-ish loop. Give it a good twist. All right, I'm gonna use this crossbar for my bow. Y'all, I think on this one, we are not going to add a whole lot to this because I think if you add too much, you're gonna hide your whole candy cane. So I may just come back with the pine again and add a few of those. So I'm gluing this pine directly into the layers of the bow. So y'all, whenever you're cutting these, make sure you move all your little pines out of the way. If not, let me show you what happens. Like if we just went in there and we chopped it, look, we cut all those things and now it looks like a bad haircut. See? So whenever you're doing it, you want to make sure you bend as many of those pines out of the way. See how all these are now like janky? We don't want that. So let me cut below those, get a good spot. That's why I keep like moving all these down and out of the way. All right, y'all. I just saw these left over from a project from the other night, and they may be kind of fun in here. All right, this one, we're gonna add some glue. We're gonna go this way. All right, last one. Y'all, I'm gonna put this one right in the center, because listen, we love to poke the mailman's eyeball out. Y'all know that's a rule when you're designing. Y'all, look how fun that is. It's all wispy and fun.